Las Vegas, February 14, 2023. The Las Vegas Valley is getting hit by a snowstorm and wind gusts of up to 60 miles per hour. As precipitation in the form of snow and rain continues to make its way into the Las Vegas Valley on Tuesday, a travel warning and a wind advisory have both been issued for the area.
Does it usually snow in Vegas?
Yeah, snow. Hey, y'all gonna freeze your ass cheeks off.
It doesn't snow in Vegas, huh?
None of the network.
Between 11:05 and 11:20 a.m., the temperature at Harry Reid International Airport fell from 54 degrees to 39 degrees as gusts from the northwest reached 49 miles per hour.
Okay, so it is snowing super hard here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And look at the trees, they're blowing, the wind is blowing like crazy, and it's 30 degrees.
Wind gusts of up to 60 miles per hour are anticipated between Wednesday morning at 10 a.m. and Wednesday morning at 9 a.m., when the alert will continue to be in force.
Snow flurries in Vegas. What's up? It's global warming. Right?
Snowfall was observed in a number of locations inside the Las Vegas Valley, which prompted the Regional Transportation Commission of Southern Nevada to issue a travel alert for an impending winter storm.
There are friggin' snow flurries on Valentine's Day in Las Vegas, Nevada.
The National Weather Service issues a warning that strong winds might cause damage to certain structures, including probable power outages, as well as blow around any unsecured objects or tree branches.
Snowing in Vegas.
According to NV Energy, as of Tuesday afternoon, 14,000 customers around the Las Vegas Valley were without power, with 56 distinct regions being impacted.
Look at the snow coming down. Across from my son's school, waiting to pick him.
Thanks for watching the channel.